Hello everyone. Now that we have installed those wall panels, what we want to do is to put a little bit of RGB here on top in the wall. So let's go. For that, I have acquired Nanoleaf's 39 light panels. This has a kit of 9. This is the Rhythm Edition. And here we have 30 light panels. The idea is to install them here on top of the wall panels so that we have some lighting there. Now let's see what we got here. There's a nice box. Couple of designs and the smarter kit. The actual controller, things to stick the panels into the wall. This is the music controller. And yes, looks like this is the controller and this is the power cord. And it gives different options, as you can see. And then we have the connectors for each and every one. And then these are the triangles. What we're going to do is, depending on where you are, you might want to go for 220 or 110 volts. So we're going to use this. And what we will do is to connect it to our power cord, to leave it ready for testing on the floor first. And you want to make sure to clean the area where you're going to install it. And then we connect this here. And now we can take the first one as an example. You have 3 different places where you can connect it. So here you can see that there's a little bit of space, and you want to make sure that those enter in contact with this here, this way. And now you have one. If you want to, you can start connecting the rest, but I'm gonna do it in the floor, so I'm gonna show you. Now it's important to mention that these controllers can hold up to 30 panels, and we are a design of 34, which means that I'm gonna need 2. That's why I bought this one and then the box, which brings 30. Now, if we connect every one of those, the idea here is to get this design. It's my nickname. So that's what we're going to achieve here. And as you may know, this S is going to be one line, and then the rest is going to be another. So I'm gonna have both controllers coming down here. Now I have mounted this already, so probably I'm gonna do either cable management or put the cord, since it's white, just through it. So this is the idea. So this is the design that I've gone through. As I said, I need 2 controllers because one controller supports up to 30 panels and this design has 34, so I had to go with 2. Now let's turn on the lights. The moment of truth. Yes, sir. So all of them work. The design is done. And now we're going to do some proper measurements because that is going to be up there. Now, something worth mentioning is that there is a code here. I won't show you mine, but make sure to take a picture of it before you actually mount it. So we have the panel here, and we want it to be connected like so, right? So we are going to make sure that these stickers are mounted such that you can also take advantage of the other side. Now you will have another unit mounted here, so it'll help to point them into the direction. These are double, so this is going to be sticking into the back. So you might want to clean this and mount it towards the other connection. So we might want to have it here. Now, when we connect the other one, you will see that this one will be utilizing this part as well. So this is just point this one, do it once at a time, and every time you mount one, just make sure that you're pointing to the right direction and that you have this already in place. So you just need to slide this down. So, all right, let's proceed. So here, make sure that you have, when you're going for tough designs, and you might want to just take them group by group in order to not fall into the trap of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then to put the 6th one, it's going to be trouble. So if you're gonna full circle, you might want to put 3 and then the other 3. And we're going to do the same thing with this design. Since we have a two-way here, we want to make sure that we go like so. The next one. So this is the end product. I'm really happy with the design. The only thing that I didn't like is that the 30 panels box didn't bring a rhythm controller. Just the Nanoleaf 9 panels pack did bring it. But yeah, I'm happy with it. And for cable management, that's what I did. I just twisted it a little bit, and then if you see, I use a 3M thing and just pasted the power cord there, and well, a little bit of cable management, but it looks better on the other side. Here is the power, and those white cables are the one. So this is how it looks. I hope you found this video helpful and that you were enjoying with me in setting up those lights. So thank you so much.